everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today, we are going to be making a craft paper tree picture. Now this is a great way to spice up your bedroom, and it's all homemade. So the first thing you need is some scissors, 6 pieces of coloured card, a pencil, a photograph frame and some glue. Remember, you can use whatever different coloured card you like. So the first thing I'm doing is using some green card to make some grass. I've cut it a little bit unevenly because remember, nature isn't perfect. The next thing I'm doing is using my pencil to outline on the black cardboard a tree. I'm now gluing this in the middle. I'm using some pink to make some really lovely branches and some white to add a little bit of texture. And finally, a little bit more yellow just to jazz it up. Glue them on wherever you like. It's your turn to be creative. And now it's time to pop it into the photo frame. And you're done! How cool does that look?